Hey guys, Caleb Sketches here. We are back at the Spring City Park. They have just had the catfish and rodeo about a day ago. They got nets up where they stock catfish and stuff. So we're just gonna get out here some chicken liver and night crawlers, and I've also got my bass gear in case we see a bass come by. But we're just gonna get out here and have a good time. I hope that it will. Whoa! Look at all the carp. Alright guys, GoPro battery number 2. Still trying to see if we can find us a catfish. We've got some chicken liver on the bottom. We've been out here for an hour now and still haven't got a bite. We've switched between night crawler and chicken liver a couple times and still nothing. But we're gonna keep giving it a try, as long as the storm doesn't move in too quickly. Well, that wasn't me. That was a hit. Take it, buddy. Got him! Lord of mercy, he's fighting pretty good. Come here, buddy. Got him. Do what? That's one. Blue cat. Thanks, buddy. Oh, wow, he inhaled my weight. Oh. That's why you don't give up hope, guys. Right, dead in the side of the mouth. Dang, that's a perfect hook set. Uh-oh. Perfect hook set. I think he ate my weight though. Come here, buddy. Come here. Stop it. He's not spying me. Cool catfish. Stop it. Stop it. They move on land a lot too. I will put you. Guys, here. Stop it. Slimies will get out. Got a lot of power to him for a small one. There he is, guys. Not too bad, honestly. He'd have a pretty good fillet on him. We might keep him. Calm down. Well guys, not too bad of an evening of fishing. Got out again before the storm front. Knew they had that fishing rodeo with the free fishing day being last Saturday, and it all worked out. Ended up catching that catfish, and I would have kept him, but I had forgotten my bucket. I thought it was in my truck, and it turned out it wasn't. So as you could tell, I was trying to figure out what I was going to do. I had a little Walmart bag there or something, but he was actually just too long to be able to be put in that bag and kept for a long duration. Guys, I thank y'all so much for subscribing to the channel. The channel is growing greatly, and I can't thank y'all enough. If that subscribe button is red, make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of that upcoming content. And hey, here's that announcement I promised y'all. So, I've got this back probably about a month or so ago, but I am a Tennessee Master Angler Grade 1 for the state of Tennessee. I caught 5 trophy fish, 2 white crappie, or 3 white crappie, one black crappie, and a catfish, and all their sizes are right there. So that is official. I've even got the patch to go with it. So there's my first level of trophy qualification in the state of Tennessee. So guys, if y'all have a chance, get out there, go do some fishing. Hey, if y'all ever have any questions in the about anything, leave them in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer them. I mean, anytime y'all see a comment answered, it is me answering. I don't have a automated answering service. So, well guys, this is Caleb's Catchers reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish one cast at a time.